Perfect timing. How you doing, guys? Good to see you, man.
Doug Goldman is on that show Ace of Cakes, so he obviously knows what he's doing.
I think you also forgot flour.
You.
You know why they call it a pound cake?
Because it weighs a pound.
Pound of butter for pound of flour.
W. W.
There's nothing happier at a wedding than a wedding cake. You know, and so that's where I come in. We're gonna take some.
Z.
Okay.